So guys, back here, McArthur Industries Sandgate Auto Electrics, as everyone knows, Isuzu's huge in the marketplace at the moment, sold out, long waits, but we've been sort of favour of the last few months as fitting these things out. So with this one here, we've fitted one of the Invicta hybrid start batteries. Customer didn't want to opt for the dual battery system, but this is giving him the option to run a lithium start battery. It's got the opportunity to actually have a percentage left in it, so if he does get a flat battery over here, get this, we'll show this. This has got a button here, we just push. As you can see, that comes on there, turns back on, and you'll be able to do the physical start the car up if your battery goes flat. Also put an Anderson plug circuit through for a charging system for DC-DC. Anderson plug in the rear for the customer to run some stuff. Also Caravan circuit we've run through Towpro Elite setup, and Caravan fridge circuit through the 12-pin plug. So any of this sort of setup, we know the Rangers and Isuzu seem to be a massive flavour of the month. So guys, hit us up, speak to the team here. We're a lot of experience in it. So speak to you soon. Have a great day. Thank you.